I'm sick. If you can't hear it already in my voice, hey, keep it down, okay? I'm sick. I got what's going around. Never thought this day would come, but it has. Anyway, I had an idea for you guys. Also, thank you for all the responses on the forum about traveling with me next summer. We got a ton of responses, which is just so cool, and I really look forward to traveling with you guys. Yeah, so does he. Maybe I'll bring him along. Let me know if you want me to bring Chippy along. Yeah, you want to come along? Anyway, regarding that, we will be releasing a lot more information regarding price, where we're going, all the more important details in the next coming days. Yep, he's excited for it too. So stay tuned for that. I know a lot of you guys were curious about pricing, etc. So, oh, that's so close in. Okay, so essentially my 3 most popular videos were either filmed at an American public school or a French public school. In total, I think they have over 2 million views now, which is just insane. But basically that tells me that you guys are interested, and people in general are interested to see what the inside of a school looks like. A lot of schools are unique, different in their own way, and even outside of the United States, they're so drastically different throughout the world, as I was able to like really comprehend by reading the comments. People saying like, oh, my school has this, my school's like that, and that was awesome. And it got me kind of curious to be like, well, I wonder what their school actually looks like. I want to like see the walls of their school, where it is, the people that go to it. So I had an idea. We were brainstorming the other night, and basically the idea is to have you guys film a video for me, since I don't have time to film. Just kidding. But the idea would be to have all of you guys send clips of your school to me, and then I would make a compilation of maybe, let's say, 100 schools around the world and make it into a fun video so that you guys can watch. And yeah, so essentially what I need from you guys is to all send in a roughly 10 to 15 second clip saying, hey, my name is Max, your name, this is my school, public or private, in place, say Chapel Hill, and maybe one interesting fact if you have time, but just try to show what your school kind of like looks like, and maybe have all your friends in the video. That'd be awesome. How it would look would be like, hey, my name is Max Reisinger, this is my American public school in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and we have 1,600 kids in our school, and our mascot is the tiger. And I'd show maybe the entrance of our school, parts of our school. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but enough to kind of get a general idea of what your school looks like. And yeah, if you can keep it closer to 10 seconds, that would be better. As for where you guys would send that video, the easiest way would be to DM it to me on Instagram. Actually, maybe we're gonna do a form. Google form. I'm doing some research on the video today. Dropbox. That's what you're supposed to do, right? Aren't you supposed to do a Dropbox? Okay, we might just do a Google form because Dropbox. Let's see, Dropbox. Dropbox? Oh, this is so complicated. Okay, let's just do it on Google Forms again. So, the way to upload a video is, I'm gonna link another Google form in the description, and it'll let you upload a file. Disclaimer, before I get any farther on with the video, I need to get your attention to make something very important and clear. I was gonna light this, but not inside, because that's dangerous. But this will help me get your attention, because we're going downstairs. So basically, you guys are sending me a clip from your school, and you're gonna upload it to the Google form that I'm linking in the description. It's gonna say like Max Reisinger Fall Video Project 2019, and then I will make a compilation of all your videos and then post it, so then you guys can see like 100 public schools around the world, which is so cool. I hope you guys like the idea, because I'm really excited about it, and it saves me time having to film, which is pretty convenient. Also, when you send me your video, now that I'm using fire, hopefully you will remember that, because if you don't make it horizontal or whatever, landscape, if you don't make it landscape, I won't be able to put it in the video. So if you want it to be in the video, make sure it is landscape, not portrait when you film it. So film it sideways, not like this. Okay, good. Landscape. Please, landscape.
Jumper. You guys want to say hi to my rabbit? Anyway, put it in the form in the description. I'll link it. Bonjour monsieur, ça va? Tu es mignon. Oh. Bonjour mes amis. Okay. Ow. Also, I put a stick of broccoli in our yard because I wanted the deer to come. Because I like animals in our backyard because it's fun to watch them. But it's still here like a day later. No deer have come to visit our yard. So if a deer comes to visit our yard, I'll let you know. Probably on Instagram though. So if you haven't followed me there, follow me there. I'll link it in the description. I like it when animals come in our yard. Alright, I think that's all I have to say. So send me those when you can. Remember, landscape, not portrait. And then I actually might make 2 videos depending on how many I get sent to me. Lena?
What?
Shout out to little sis. I'm just letting them know what's going on.
In life?
Yeah, in life. And I'm filming a video and they can be a part of it. It's pretty cool, right? You know what's pretty cool? Fire. I brought a leaf into my room. Anyway, alright, I'm making up the form right now. Let me show you some behind the scenes. Video project, you can upload the file. That's what we got going on right now. Any last words, Chippy? I mean, it's hard to disagree with that, to be honest. That's just how life is. I know. It's okay. Form description. How are we gonna describe this? I'm gonna do the form right now, figure it out. Thank you for filling it out. See you guys soon. Or you guys will probably see yourself first in the next video. Will probably be this video, so thank you.